So there are different kinds of scales. There are sharp scales and there are flat scales, just like we have sharps and we have flats. So the first ones that they are introducing to you are the sharp scales. And the key that's most closely related to C is G, okay? So if you look at G, in order to figure out a G major scale, you're going to go through those exact steps that we talked about. One, line space, line space. Okay. And how many line spaces do we need? 8. That's one of the reasons why you always want to put the number on there, so that you know you have 8 notes. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. What's the next step? Cut them in half. Okay, so what am I going to do? I'm going to go to 4 and put a line directly between the 2 tetrachords. Okay, now what's the next step? Name them. So this is G, this is A, this is B, this is C, D, E, F, G. Okay. Then what do we need that we don't have? Well, we do have, but you might not have, so you're going to have to get it out. Get your keyboard. Find the lowest note, okay, the lowest note that you can. On this keyboard, I'm putting it here because it's smaller, okay, than the real one. And then we're going to put in the half steps. Between 3 and 4 and 7 and 8. Okay. And after that, you're going to actually play it. If you can't play it, then you'll just have to use that keyboard and count whole, whole, half, whole, whole, half. So here's G. Okay, whole step above G, whole step above A, B, half step above B, C, whole step above C, whole step above D, whole step above E. Is that a whole step? No, because there's 2 white keys right there, right? So what do we have to do? We have to do 2 half steps to find T. We have to go up to that note, okay? And what note is that? It's F sharp, okay? So G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, okay? And what we're going to do, we're just going to stick it in like that. Okay, and that is a G major scale. Now, if I was going to actually just be writing something in G major, it just looked like our recorder songs with a simple F sharp up there. But that just means that in G major, you will always play an F sharp unless there's an accidental added into it. So these are the steps. Line space, 8 notes. Okay, cut them in half, boom. Name the notes, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Get your keyboard out. Put in the half steps. And then count whole, whole, half, whole, whole, half. I forgot to do between 7 and 8. So all together, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So G major has one sharp and it's F sharp.